Using a graphical user interface to delete files is very straightforward. But sometimes we may need to do this thing in the terminal. So today I'm going to show you how to delete files in Linux, including delete a file, a bunch of files, files with patterns, and a couple of options you may find helpful. Let's first take a look at the syntax. The command to delete files in Linux is called rm, which stands for remove. So we put the command name at the beginning, then a few options, if any, and finally the target file or a list of files. Let's see an example. We've got the data file here and we want to get rid of it. So we type the rm first, then the file name data.txt, then hit enter. It's gone. And this time we have some different types of files. We can use the rm command with a list of files, for example, application.log.1, application.log.2, and application.log.3 to remove all the rotation log files. Yeah, they no longer exist. In addition, we can use wildcards to remove files. Here we use the star symbol to delete all the database rotation files, and they're all gone. Sometimes we will need to delete read-only files, and we'll get the warnings when we are doing so. Using the -F option can suppress this kind of warning. And sometimes we may want to delete files without any accidents. So we can use the -I option to confirm each of them. So these are the common ways to delete files in a terminal. Did you get it? When was the last time you deleted files by using the command line interface? How did you feel about it? Did you have any troubles with it? Tell me more about it in the comment section below. Now, if you want to learn the fundamental skills of Bash scripting, I put together a free guide of 50 useful Unix commands. You can find the link in the description box below. And check out my other tutorial videos for more Bash scripting tips. I'll see you in the next video. Happy stacking!